Start. The submission is that the judgment dated 4/7/2006 in civil misc writ petition number 6351 of 2000 directing the extension of benefit to the respondent petitioner on the same terms as another constable Shri Virendra Kumar Mishra was on the same terms that was provided for in the reinstatement order of Virendra Kumar Mishra, and therefore the said terms became final as per the judgment dated 4/7/2006, which could not be altered subsequently by an order in a fresh writ petition that has given rise to this appeal. Para. The background in which the aforesaid grounds have been raised are that the respondent petitioner Ramesh Bahadur Singh was subjected to a punishment of dismissal while posted as a constable in the writ Provincial Armed Constabulary of the state of UP. A dismissal order was passed after a departmental inquiry, against which the respondent petitioner approached this court by filing writ petition number 6351 of 2000. The writ petition was considered on both grounds, namely that the procedure of the disciplinary proceedings adopted was in violation of that which is prescribed, and the respondent petitioner, having been acquitted in the criminal case, was entitled to avail all service benefits with reinstatement. The second ground raised was that another co-accused in the same establishment, namely Virendra Kumar Mishra, had already been reinstated by the appellate authority wide order dated 22/9/1999, and therefore the respondent petitioner deserves to be at least given the benefit at par with Virendra Kumar Mishra. The dismissal order, the subsequent appellate order, and the revisional order that were under challenge came to be set aside by the judgment dated 4/7/2006, but the final relief which was granted to the respondent petitioner was to the effect that the respondent petitioner shall be entitled to the benefit at par with Virendra Kumar Mishra, on the ground that the respondent petitioner deserves the same treatment. It is undisputed between the parties that Virendra Kumar Mishra had been reinstated in service subject to the condition that he shall not receive salary from the date of dismissal till the date of reinstatement and joining, and that he shall stand reduced to the minimum of the pay scale and be reverted accordingly. However, all other consequential service benefits would be available without any benefit of increment. In the case of the respondent petitioner Ramesh Bahadur Singh, what happened was that he filed the writ petition in the year 2000 claiming the same benefits. The writ petition remained pending and was ultimately allowed by the judgment dated 4/7/2006. While allowing the writ petition, the learned single judge clarified that the benefit available to the respondent petitioner would be to the same extent as given to Virendra Kumar Mishra. Thus, the condition of non-payment of salary from the date of dismissal till the date of joining remained the same under the said judgment. The writ petition was allowed on 4/7/2006. Whereafter, the respondent/petitioner was made to join under the aforesaid judgment. He was therefore not paid salary from the date of dismissal till the date of joining in the year 2006.